Child, it's me, KG. Mr. Gooch.
Y'all know what time it is, vlog time, Target time.
Look at them, they done ran off and left us. Just like your kids do. Alright, chill, y'all. We are out at Target and we are trying to make a quick little run. We get ready to get a ice and snowstorm starting tomorrow morning, and we are grabbing a couple of things, and I need to get a curling iron that I seen online because I gotta finish my hair. So I popped y'all in earlier. I got my good hat on. Shout out to Culture Kings. And yeah, so we are going in here to see what we can see. Maya and them then left us. Know what they doing. Oh, there they are.
It's a big ass ice storm coming, and everybody's trying to do their last minute shopping.
Yeah, we need some eggs too.
So we did
oh, Maya, look. These are glass. Look.
Oh, it's a spray bottle. Oh.
It's a spray bottle. It's cute. It's $3. We need to get that.
For what?
Cause you know.
Fireworks.
Fireworks.
Oh, this was for New Year's.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Friendship bracelet.
She's extra. Alright.
Alright, let's go.
Maya, look at that little Valentine's Day stuff. It's cute.
No, I'm not.
Alright.
So it's $1. Come on, let's go look at this one. Oh, Mom, look at this one right here.
Girl.
That's such a Oh, you want a nice Twilight t-shirt?
That little cherry outfit's cute. Look. $21.99. And then the pants is $19.99. That's a cute little jogging suit. Maya. They running from me. Y'all ready to get left. Alright, husband, we going this way. We ain't fooling with them. Graphic tees.
I feel like them look just as like some little t-shirts that look like some when you go out of town and just they trying to sell souvenir t-shirts.
No, it's a graphic t-shirt. You supposed to style those, honey. Child, he don't know. He said they like out of town t-shirts that you get for souvenirs. He don't know. But yeah, I'm out here looking a mess. Oh, you know what? No, I ain't used to having a mic. So now y'all can hear me better now.
I mean, you can if you spend your money.
Maybe on this side. Alright, where's the daggone curling iron that I seen? There it is.
You said they was old school.
The one Maya had, honey. This is a ceramic one. This is the one I need. Alright, y'all. So
Why they got so many of them left?
I seen that T3. I'm not paying $200 for it. It's not that serious to me. So the T3 is at Ulta. You want to buy it? It's $199.
Nah, ain't that serious.
He tried to say it ain't that
How long
serious.
is the curls gonna last? 2 months?
He tried to say it ain't that serious because I said that. Okay, so I don't know if I want a hot tool or if I want this one. The hot tool is not ceramic though, so I think we're gonna roll with this one. But why was this online for $14.99, honey? Hold on, this is a 1 inch.
You can buy it, so you can order it online for.
I mean, I really ain't tripping about the
For $3 cheaper. Yeah. That's the shipping cost.
No, I'm just saying it was online, the price online. Yeah, that's true.
The difference between the online and getting it in the store is the extra $3. That's just shipping costs. So
Yeah,
costs you that much more to come pick it up at the same day service.
right.
It's worth it.
This is a 1-inch, and then they got a 3/4, and then they got 1.5. I really ain't tripping for real. All right, I'm going with the 1-inch. Yeah, I ain't trying to do the whole T3 trend. It is what it is. Maybe one day, but right now, this is what we doing. So, I got what I came in here for. I don't know what Tamaya and them's getting. See if they got some new stuff for Tree Hut. No. Oh, that dragon fruit is new. And then they got raspberry fizz, but they don't have the body wash. All right. Where's my kids at? Is the question. That girl be catching the Uber back home because we gotta go. Brooke. I do it all the time. Should have clipped the book. Oh yeah, I forgot. I wasn't thinking. Shit. Oh, look. Nope. They got me stuff. Oh, look at that purse. Where y'all at? Over there. Y'all looking at the CDs. It's cute. They got men's department.
I'm gonna be on that side.
You wanna go to the CDs or you wanna go to the men's department?
I don't think we go where they at.
Yeah. Y'all about a men's department? We got a shoes. All right, here we come. Bye. They at the CDs back here. Yeah, I know Brooklyn, honey. She's into CDs. What's going on? Girl, I don't know. Down there somewhere?
We need to go to the drinks.
Can we go see the line?
Yeah, they talking about iPhone. I don't mess with it. So,
Why?
which one is that, Brooklyn? Is that the one you got?
No.
Oh.
Wait, which one do I got? I don't even know.
I think this, they tripping. This one's newer than this one. Cause this is
Mr. Howard,
Oh,
look.
that's the early level.
Mr. Howard, look. You can do this thing. Hold up. Look at my face. Let's see if they want to do it.
No, it's not gonna do it.
Yes, it is.
Transfer picture to picture.
It's not gonna
It
do
doesn't have no
Yes,
data on the
look,
phone.
it said appear as Bonnie Martinez. It's not gonna do it.
Exactly. Do it to my phone.
I don't know what they doing. I don't know nothing about no iPhone, child.
Share.
Tabitha Brown.
Mommy, can I get? Mom, look, it's a hair
Start
product.
taking vitamins. You think these are a good one too?
Yeah, Golly.
What's the 3-in-1 pre and post probiotics? Probiotics clean your gut, right?
Yep. I'm waiting for them. I'm done paying for my stuff. Brooklyn thinks that people are gonna buy her items, and she got probably more money than everybody. She's done. And now here she comes. She paid for her stuff. Yay! Alright, we out of here.
I was gonna get charged. I was about to get charged an extra $10. No way, Jose. Check that
She
price.
checked him, boo.
Oh, Mama, look at the Spider-Man bike.
Alright, so here's Mr. Gooch. Alright. The whole crew's here. Now we get ready to
It's cold.
don't need to do it. We finally at a Target. It's really not that crowded in there like it looks, but
I told you that.
we was really doing a whole lot of fiddling faddling because we really would have been out a long time ago. Hold on.
Girl, I looked at
Yeah, it looks good. We would have been out.
This is a stop sign.
I don't know. People are crazy, honey. I'm watching. But anyway, so we was doing a whole lot of fiddling faddling. We would have been out a long time ago. Whew, child.
I locked it on.
It's icy out here, honey. It's cold. So, next stop is Ollie's. And my receipt is trying to get away from me. So now we are about to go to Ollie's and get Mr. Gooch some coffee because we bad in the boxes.
Mama,
What?
did you get what I said to my head in the background?
What'd you say? She's silly. What did you say?
I said I'm gonna take a hot shower when I get home. She said you need to take a hot shower for that hot butt. I said take a hot shower, put some hot water on that hot butt.
Alright, yeah. So now, alright, y'all seatbelts on. We are getting ready to go to Ollie's.
Yeah, I'm in
And
the middle of Ollie's. Let's freaking go.
home. So I'll get back with y'all in a minute.
Hey, my vitamins.
Alright, we in Ollie's.
You remember we used to say that? Jinx blackout. That's how y'all used to be jinx of each other. I found Brooklyn guys and Jinx you owe me a soda. I found you.
People did used to do it.
I found you again.
They got Christmas stuff on sale. This is kind of like a bargain store. He's coming in here to get his coffee, Chad.
Peppermint and the vanilla.
Was that one good? Or the big bag one? How much is this one? This one's 15. Mommy,
Maya, there's some blankets. Look.
can we get this for the dollar?
Maya, no.
For 20.
So Maya,
Let's get him from.
there's some blankets.
I don't need a blanket like that.
One more too.
He be having them all over the couch too.
There's a Colombian
Huh?
right there.
Is that the one you got? Son? Hold on.
I didn't get it at Ollie's. I forgot where I got it at.
How much is this?
21.
15, $11.99.
$10.99.
Yep.
$10.99 it is.
It ain't Colombian.
$11.99. Oh well, why does that one say $10.99?
That's okay.
And this one say
The
$11.99.
same thing.
And they the same one.
I know.
All
I'm
right.
gonna hold them to it.
What's this? Hyaluronic acid.
Do y'all see method? Do y'all see method?
Dove baby oil. Sure. Huh?
What's that you looking at?
I don't know. Some body care stuff.
Remember them cherry balls? Remember the sour cherry balls?
I don't like those.
Mom, they have Mr. Beast chocolate.
And these.
We don't need the seasoning.
Oh yeah, hold on. I
This
forget.
is old people candy. Like them orange, put all the sugar on it.
Child, they be having all the good seasonings. They be having stuff that you wouldn't even think they got. That you never heard of, just like this. What is this? Cibella in Polvo. I guess it's some type of Mexican or Hispanic blend. I never heard of it before, but it's probably good. This is Saison d'Orde.
They got the cilantro leaves.
So they got a whole lot of, look, pimenton. They have a whole lot of different seasonings. If you want to come in here and find something that is different, you will definitely find it in her. I got cilantro already.
Herb tea. You better check the date on that money up on
2003. It said 2003. No, it did.
It probably for real.
So you think I shouldn't get these? Because it might be old. Oh, it say Best Buy November 18, 2025. Oh, yeah, it's 2025 this year.
They got the cilantro leaves in there.
Oh, what's that? Oh, it's everything bagel. Yeah, I heard this is good. Look, everything bagel. And it is, yeah, I knew they probably was $3.99. Darian's feelings is probably hurt. My baby, they just called and canceled the baby's basketball games tomorrow. We was all looking forward to going to it to support her. So, with that being said, hey y'all remember about that, and y'all kept on saying, why you keep buying this?
April 10th.
Y'all remember?
Yeah, that's dirty.
Yeah.
It is not nasty. I was getting it at Sam's Club.
I'll just make a mental note and come back and get this if I need it.
What is it?
What do you need some
Cilantro
cilantro
leaves.
for?
Cause I was gonna make them tacos, them authentic Mexican tacos.
Oh, look at them Oreos.
But we need the
Look at that.
Child.
tortilla shells, the corns.
Look, have you watched it, Mr. Howard? You need to
You
watch
didn't watch Squid
this.
Game.
What's that?
Squid
Yeah.
Game.
Game. Watch it. I'm telling you.
I watched the previews on.
It's wonderful to know when your kids read books.
Brooklyn, what
Like,
is she giving?
it's awesome.
Mom, this is what
Ah, look.
Wait.
Oh wait,
They
no.
don't love you like I
Look,
love
Maya,
you.
look at this. It's cute, and it comes with like a little journal. Look at that. That's cute.
Mom, look at her.
Who is it? Is that the lady that sang
Can
it?
you give me the Pink Floyd book?
Is that the lady that sang it?
No. Can
Oh.
you give me the Pink Floyd book?
No, you can buy it yourself.
$12. How much for $12?
She's not getting
Anyway, yeah, they still read books, so that's really good. Groundbreaking women.
Oh no. I rebuke that.
Look up her, bro.
What is going on?
Bro, look up her.
Yes.
Oh, those are cute.
I want that one right there.
Which one?
Bob Marley.
Oh, that one's nice.
Look, they have a whole book. They have a whole shelf of guitar books.
That's
Books
the
about
Brooklyn
guitars.
Bridge.
Oh, look at Biggie. Biggie Smalls.
Miss Howard, they have a whole shelf of books about guitars. And these. Oh wait, where'd it go? Oh, right here.
Chad, you know she loves her music.
Yeah, guys.
There's a Fender book, Brooklyn, like your guitar.
I don't want any of these. I just want this. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys.
You ready?